Get ready to have your mind blown, because today we're diving into 10 shocking facts that sound completely made up but are 100% real. Stick around, because some of these will make you question everything you thought you knew. Let's start with a big one. You probably think the Amazon rainforest is the lungs of our planet, right? Well, what if I told you that most of the oxygen you're breathing right now doesn't come from forests at all? It's true. Over half of Earth's oxygen is produced by tiny microscopic organisms in the ocean called phytoplankton. These little guys are the real MVPs, floating in the sea and quietly pumping out the oxygen we need to survive. So next time you take a deep, refreshing breath, you can thank the ocean. Here's a fact that might make you feel a little distant from the world. You have never actually touched anything in your entire life. Not your phone, not the chair you're sitting on, not even another person. Sounds crazy, I know, but at the atomic level, the electrons in your atoms repel the electrons of other atoms. What you perceive as the sensation of touch is actually the electromagnetic force between these atoms pushing against each other. So, you're not really touching anything. You're just feeling the force that prevents you from passing right through it. We're all living in our own little force fields. Are you a fan of chess? This next fact is for you. There are more possible unique games of chess than there are atoms in the entire observable universe. Let that sink in. Scientists estimate the number of possible chess games is around 10 to the power of 120. That SA1 followed by 120 zeros. The estimated number of atoms in the universe, a mere 10 to the power of 80. The complexity and sheer number of possibilities in a single game of chess are so vast, they dwarf the number of building blocks in our universe. It's a testament to how a simple set of rules can create nearly infinite outcomes. Next time you peel a banana for a healthy snack, remember this: bananas are naturally radioactive. Don't worry, you can keep eating them. Let's head back under the sea for this one. Octopuses are already fascinating creatures with their 8 arms and incredible intelligence. But did you know they have 3 hearts? And that's not all their blood is blue. 2 of their hearts are dedicated to pumping blood through their gills, while the third circulates it to the rest of the body. Here's a cool detail. When an octopus swims, that third heart actually stops beating. This is why they often prefer to crawl along the ocean floor. It's just less tiring for them. Blue blood and 3 hearts. Octopuses are basically real-life aliens living among us. Have you ever been outside on a dry day and thought, I can smell rain coming? You're not imagining it. You can literally smell rain before a single drop falls. That distinct earthy scent has a name, petric. It's caused by a combination of oils released by plants and a chemical compound produced by soil-dwelling bacteria. When humidity rises before a storm, these molecules are released into the air, and the first few raindrops hitting the dry ground help to aerosolize them, carrying that wonderful smell of rain to your nose. So your sense of smell can be a pretty good weather forecaster. Now for a trip to our planetary neighbor, Venus. If you think the days are long here on Earth, wait until you hear about Venus. A single day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. How is that even possible? A day is the time it takes for a planet to rotate once on its axis. A year is the time it takes to orbit the Sun. Venus rotates incredibly slowly. It takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, but it zips around the Sun in just 225 Earth days. So, you could celebrate your birthday on Venus and still have to wait for the Sun to set on the same day you were born. Talk about a long workday. Here's a fact that might make you feel a little more radiant. Your body is constantly glowing, but you just can't see it. I'm not talking about some metaphorical inner glow. I mean, you are literally bioluminescent. All living things, including humans, emit a tiny amount of visible light as a byproduct of biochemical reactions happening in our cells. This glow is about 1,000 times less intense than the light our eyes are sensitive enough to detect. So while you can't see it in the mirror, ultra-sensitive cameras have captured this faint human light. We're all shining, all the time. This next one sounds like something out of a mad scientist's lab. Some metals, when they come into contact with water, literally explode. We're talking about alkali metals like sodium, potassium, and lithium. When you drop a chunk of pure sodium into water, it reacts violently and instantaneously. The reaction releases a huge amount of heat and flammable hydrogen gas, which often ignites, causing a fiery explosion. This is why you'll never find these elements in their pure form in nature. They are just too reactive. So, remember your high school chemistry lessons. Some things just don't mix well. And finally, let's bring it back to Earth for a truly astronomical comparison. There are more trees on our planet than there are stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Current estimates suggest there are about 3 trillion trees on Earth. That's a 3 followed by 12 zeros. And how many stars are in the Milky Way? Scientists estimate there are somewhere between 100 billion and 400 billion. So, even on the high end of that estimate, trees outnumber stars by a huge margin. It is a powerful reminder of the incredible richness and scale of life right here on our own planet. So, there you have it, 10 facts that sound completely fake but are absolutely true. From our glowing bodies to exploding metals and the real source of our oxygen, the universe is a strange and wonderful place, full of surprises that challenge our understanding of reality. If you enjoy discovering facts that bend your mind and make you see the world a little differently, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.